So we're here at ASRock booth, Computex 2019. And we're with Juliet. Juliet's going to show us some of the Z90 boards that we have here, Z390 boards. And then this is the motherboard which we reviewed already. This is the Phantom Gaming 9. This is on the Battle Angel Elite system that we built earlier, so check out the video. Alright, so this one is a demo of the motherboard, but using the standard Ryzen 2000 series CPU, X570 Phantom Gaming X. It's the using the Ryzen 2700X CPU, and it's running nice and supports all that, no problem. Alright, so now we have the X570 Steel Legend. Okay, so Steel Legend series from ASRock. This is the X570 motherboard running. Again, using the Ryzen 2700X CPU. And you can check out the live demo right here. You can also check out the boards. I like the heat shield M.2 with RGB. So this is the latest X570 motherboard from ASRock, supporting the latest AMD Ryzen 3000 CPUs as well as the older generation 2000 CPU as well. What's this Taichi VGA concept card? Check it out, up there. Tell me what's that about? Planning?
Yeah, planning to do.
But what graphics card CPU is that? AMD? AMD?
Of course, AMD.
Of course AMD. Alright, so AMD, probably the new Navi, right?
I'm not sure.
Yeah? It's a concept card, so it could be any GPU in it, but probably the Navi, the 7nm GPU from AMD. But check it out, it's got the 3 fans, it's got the RGB center there, quite nice. So hopefully we'll get one of those to review. But yeah, so concept card, look out for that. Alright, so we have the X570 Taichi from AMD and ASRock, check that out. So this is the Taichi version right there. Check out the full coverage heatsink, nice RGB there. Check out the clockwork kind of Taichi design there, very nice. Again, supports all of the AMD 3000 series from AMD. Alright, so let's get on to some of the X570 motherboards. I've got this one here called the Aqua, but it's missing. I don't know what that is. Alright, and we have the X570 Creator. I'm guessing this was for the workstation, right? Or maybe some content creators. We have full armor heat shield for your SSDs. Check out the fan right there. And supports DDR4 4666 OC. And we got moving down here where you got the 570 Pro 4. This board at least seems a bit longer. What's it saying? Or narrower, I should say. Yeah, narrower. So we get to the mainstream motherboards right here. And then this is the mini ATX. Oh, sorry, micro ATX X570 Pro 4. This one is quite nice. It has a nice full coverage heatsink, the M.2, and a little built-in fan right there. Very nice. So this range here, you can see, is for the workstation / content creators and also mainstream. And then now we're moving over to, if you can see it, it's the full high-end enthusiast. You've got the X570 Phantom Gaming X, and as I mentioned earlier, it has the 11.AX Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, and obviously a full coverage heatsink for your M.2 with a built-in fan and nice RGB effects right there. And then going on to the mainstream, we have the Phantom Gaming 4. Yep, I can't wait. I'd love to get this one. This is the X570 Phantom Gaming Mini ITX. Yes, look at the size of this thing. So I'll be waiting to get one of these. Yeah, very nice. And then got the Extreme 4. Very good overclocking capabilities here with the DDR4 4666. Nice fan, full coverage heatsink. Right. And of course we have the Taichi. Yes, the X570 Taichi right there. Check that out. We saw that earlier. It has the nice Taichi design right there. Built-in fan, full coverage thing. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. It covers the whole motherboard. Supports DDR4, 4666. Nice RGB effects. I'd love to get one of these as well to test. Excellent. So I think these are the latest boards that AMD want to push and sell. This is the X570 motherboard. Support all of the Ryzen 3000 series, which they announced earlier yesterday as well. So great. Check this out. This is a Assassin's Creed mod, Odyssey mod. Check it out. It's got an onboard keyboard. Check it out. Nice keyboards. It's got like a water cooling with copper pipes. It's got the G-Skill Trident Gold. Check this out. This is a nice mod. It's got the Taichi little logo as well. Z390 chipset board, but modified with this whole nice case. Very nice. Assassin's Creed Odyssey. But these ones, if you see on display, are the mods. So we got this mod from GGF. You probably heard of them. So this one uses the Torque case from Cougar. This is a scratch build. You can check it out with the nice design, wings and all that. This guy's Mike Wang. So this one using the air cooler. See, most mods now with water cooling. This one using the air cooler. Looks very nice. All right, this one looks very plain, but it has a nice brushed aluminum kind of effect. This is the X399M Taichi, the mini board in there. Check that out. Looks very nice and compact inside. And also like this one, this is the X299 Taichi XE with the G-Skill Trident memory. Check it out. It's got this crystal effect on the memory, very nice. This one, again, GGF. It's got this nice reservoir here, right there. Very nice, this reservoir. Temperature sensor. Water cooling RAM here. Nice see-through power supply. This case is in wind, very nice. We've seen that before. Check this out. This mod has a complete back plate, or should I say back chassis, I should say backslides, which is a whole reservoir. Check it out. This whole thing right here is a reservoir. And this one has obviously a graphics card with a water block with the ASRock Steel's Legend. Very nice. And check out this mod here. This one's from X-Fasters. It's okay. It's a mini board in there. It's the ITX Phantom Gaming series. I like compact systems, very nice. I like this one. And then moving over here we have MoMA. Yes, I think it's from Japan. It's got this gold effect on there, very nice. Using the Z390 Phantom Gaming 9. The Phantom Gaming X. And this one has the Steel Legend B450 with the nice camouflage design on the side here. Check it out. All right, moving to some of the ASRock other products. Earlier this month, I think ASRock announced the mini desk, or desk mini, the A300. Check that out. We have it right here. It's got the AMD in there, the Ryzen 2400G. Built-in mini fan there. Very nice. SSD, yeah. M.2 SSDs. So you can check it out. It has a Skydiver score, 10,725. Not bad. Yep, 240 gig SSD. It's got a 16 gig of RAM. It's a mini system. Perfect for your desk space.
This is our X570. You can see that motherboard is in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
the RX 570 motherboard.
Yeah, and the special thing is the world's first Thunderbolt graphics card.
Oh, it's Thunderbolt-based graphics card.
So maybe you can call the graphics board.
Oh, so this is a graphics card,
Yeah,
right?
it's a Radeon RX 570.
And it's on a board which
Thunderbolt.
It's-
And it has a Thunderbolt.
right here. Come check it out. So we have the this motherboard here,
Yeah.
but it's got the RX 570 chip GPU in there, right? And it's a Thunderbolt-based connector which goes to your laptop
Yeah.
to give you external GPU power, right?
Yeah, external GPU power, and you can have the extra storage.
More storage?
Power. Yeah, and at the same time, you can trap your laptop.
And it charges your laptop as well. So you can stick it in any laptop with a Thunderbolt connector
Yes.
to give you full GPU power from this setup.
Yeah, and
Okay.
you have an extra USB port, full USB port. Yeah.
So when is this? It's just a concept, an idea, or is it going to be coming out?
It's a concept, but maybe we will launch in September.
September?
This year. Yeah.
Sounds interesting. It's a motherboard with a RX 570 GPU in there. Thunderbolt and USB as well as storage space. Ah, interesting.
And also you can put it in a mini IDX chassis.
So there's an idea what it looks like if it was. You have the chassis, you have the board in there, the GPU is right there. Supports the SSDs, no actually storage, right? And also USB ports.
2 HDMI and 1 VSOC.
Yeah. Interesting. Any ideas of cost?
No.
But yeah, look out for that, September maybe. Okay, excellent. Great. I think that's pretty much we covered everything that we have at ASRock. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.